Welcome students. Today we will going to continue chapter introduction. Let's start. What is statistics? This is the necessary for preciseness of statement. The systematic treatment of quantitative expression is known as statistics. Okay, so statistic means quantitative information of the facts and finding. Or statistics is something like a store of quantitative information. Okay, statistics can be defined in two ways, in plural sense and in singular sense. Today we will talk about in plural sense. Let's start. Statistics defined in plural sense as statistical data. Let us consider whether the figures 1600, 800, 20, 80, 20, 700, 300, 70 and 30 are statistics. Figures are innocent and do not speak anything, but when they refer to some place, person, time, etc., they are called statistics. Let us look the table. Students in a school 2010-11, Kendriya Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Government Senior Secondary School. Students number percentage. Boys 1600 80% in Kendriya Vidyalaya, in Government Senior Secondary School 700 70%. Girls 400 for 20%, 300 30%, 2000 100%, 1000 100%. Above tables gives a numerical descriptions of of students in Kendriya Vidyalaya and Government Senior Secondary School. Students are grouped as boys and girls and percentage and calculate for each group. Now this text is figure of 1600, 400, 800, 700 have a statistical meaning. We call this statistics of students. Similarly, we find newspaper statistics of score in cricket match, statistics of price, statistics of agricultural production. Okay. So now the above definition covers the following main points about statistics as numerical presentation of facts. First one is statistics are aggregates of fact. A single observation is not a statistics, is a group of observation. So pocket expenses of Anil during a month rupees 50 is not statistics. Picard cannot calculate average, but pocket expenses of Anil, Prakash, Sunil and Suresh during a month 50, 55, 80 and 70 respectively are statistics, because average, finding average is possible. Okay. Next one is statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity causes. So statistics are generally not isolated facts, that they are dependent on, influenced by the number of phenomena like electricity bills affected by consumption and rate of electricity. So data should be affected by multiple causes. Okay. Third one is statistics are numerically expressed. Yes, set of information must be expressed in numerically. For example, if we say that the students of a class are very good in studies, it is not a statistical statement. But when a statement reads a 40 students got first division, 30 second division, 20 third division and 10 failed out of 100 students, it is a statistical statement expressed in numerically. Okay. Next one is statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy. So it means why we are collecting data. It should be clear. Without any object collection of data is not statistics. मीन्स डेटा कलेक्शन करने के लिए कोई प्री डिटरमाइंड पर्पस होना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टेटिस्टिक्स आर कलेक्टेड इन सिस्टमैटिक मैनर. स्टेटिस्टिक्स कलेक्टेड विदाउट एन ऑर्डर अ सिस्टम आर अनरिलायबल एंड इनएक्यूरेट. They must be collected in a systematic manner. So data must be collected in a systematic manner for achieving objective. Okay, next one is statistics are collected for predetermined purpose. Yes, already explained. Unless statistics are collected for a specific purpose, they would be more or less useless. For example, if we want to collect statistics in agricultural production, we must decide beforehand the region, commodities and period for which they are acquired. So unnecessarily data collection karna is not statistic. Okay, statistics means data should be collected predetermined purpose. Okay, next one is statistics are placed in relation to each other. Yes, statistics or data are often required for comparison. Therefore, they should be comparable period-wise, region-wise, and commodity-wise, etc. So, in statistics, data comparison is must. So, if one information not related to other information, then comparison is not possible. So data are not statistics. So that data placed in relation to each other. Okay.